Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to show you how I prepare this delicious creamy shrimp alfredo pasta. You are going to love it, and it is also very easy to prepare. Don't go nowhere, watch to the end. So here are all the ingredients that I'm going to use for the alfredo pasta. So here is my cooked shrimp. That's how I bought it. I have my mushroom here as well. I have mozzarella cheese, salt, olive oil, my pasta. I've also got my onions there as well, and my 2 types of black pepper. Okay, so I'm also going to use the heavy cream as well. So now, as you can see, I'm going to put my pasta in the bowl, in the pan, and let it cook. So while the pasta is cooking, I'm going to start frying the other stuff. I'm going to add my olive oil to the pan and let it hot for a while. And while that is doing, I'm going to season the shrimp. Okay, I'm going to add my black pepper, my spices, my mixed spices. Okay, yes, you have to do that so that all the spices will just go in the shrimp. Yes, that's how you do that. So I'm also going to add salt to it, and after that I'm going to give it a good stir. Okay, so guys, as you can see, my oil is hot now, so I'm going to start frying. I added my onions to the pan and let it fry for 40 seconds or 1 minute, and after that I'm going to add my mushroom and let it fry as well. I'm also going to add my butter to the pan. Yes, I like that flavor, the aroma, of the butter in the sauce. Yes, so I'm just going to stir fry the mushroom together with the onions and continue the next process. It is very important to stir fry so that it won't burn. So here is my paprika powder. I'm going to add my paprika powder to it, like add all the spices to it now. Okay, so after that I'm going to also add my black pepper to it as well. Yes, as you can see, that's my black pepper. I'm also going to add the spices as well, the mixed spices. Okay, yes, and yes, the black pepper, like the other black pepper that is not smooth. Okay, yes, I always love to combine the spices together. I really love that. So here is my mixed spices. Okay, I'm just going to add it to it, and then we go to the next process. So I'm going to stir fry, like stir everything together so that all the spices will just go inside, like go in the food. Yes, it is very important to stir fry. Yes guys, so as you can see, I'm also going to add a little amount of salt to it as well, and also stir everything together. Yeah, so after that I'm going to add the shrimp to the mushroom and stir fry everything together. Yes, I'm going to let it fry for some minutes. Okay guys, yes, and it is also important to stir fry it for a while and then let it fry after all. So now I'm going to add my cream, the heavy cream, to it and let it cook for like 2 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to I'm going to stir everything together, and then I'm going to add the cheese as well. Guys, trust me, this process is very easy. Like, the recipe is very easy to prepare, and it is so delicious. Yes, so that's it guys. I'm going to check if the taste is okay. If not, I'm going to also add some spices to it later on. Okay, so as you can see, I'm going to add the cooked pasta to the pan and stir everything together. Okay, and guys, trust me, this recipe is everything. You have to give it a try, and when you do, please let me know what you think about the food. Let me know the taste, how you feel about it. So I added a little bit of salt to it later on, because the taste, like the salt was not enough. Okay, so I'm going to stir everything, and then I'm going to also add some spices to it as well, like the black pepper and the spices. Okay, yeah. So while the food is cooking, I'm going to add my black pepper and my mixed spices to it. Okay, yes, the reason why I do this is because I like the taste, like the aroma. Okay, that's why I decided to add the pepper like at this time also. Okay, when it's about to be like cooked, like when I'm about to put the food down. Yes, so that's why I did that. It is very tasty and delicious, like when you do it like this. Yes guys, so that's it, and as you can see, I stir also together again, and I'm going to let it cook for like 2-3 minutes, and then the food will be ready. Like I said, it is very easy to prepare and also very delicious. My kids loved it and they really enjoyed the food, and I really enjoyed the food as well. Yes guys, so that's it. That's how this delicious creamy shrimp Alfredo pasta is cooked. Yeah, and my food is ready, so now I'm going to dish my food and eat. Yes guys, that's how I prepare this delicious creamy Alfredo shrimp pasta that you are seeing here. I hope you enjoyed watching, and please guys, don't forget to comment, like, and also share my videos. I would really appreciate if you do that. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you have also not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to do so. Subscribe, click on the bell icon so that anytime I post a new video, you will be notified. Thank you so much for watching. Guys, just feed your eyes with this deliciousness you are seeing here. Doesn't this look so tasty and delicious? Of course it does. Wow guys, thank you so much, and please don't forget to share. Like I said before, share, like, comment guys. Thank you so much for watching. But before I go, feed your eyes with this deliciousness you are seeing here. I'm going to taste it. I'm going to start eating now. And guys, oh god, this food is everything. You have to give it a try. So I will say bye for now and see you in my next video. Bye.